The war between India and Pakistan continues to escalate every passing day, with both countries firing missiles and drones across the line of control. Escalation comes from Pakistan and then India responds adequately. Now, in the midst of all of this, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has called for a meeting with the National Command Authority, the NCA, which is the official body that takes a call on using nuclear weapons. Earlier, we spoke with Major General Neeraj Bali and Dr. Tara Karta, former Director of National Security Council Secretariat, on Pakistan's nuclear threats. Listen to these statements from them.
You wouldn't have heard a single statement coming out of any Indian functionary about our nuclear capabilities. And today, this meeting of National Command Authority, which has been called by the Pakistani Prime Minister, I think at one level is messaging, one level is kind of a implied threat, which of course we will note. Which is unfortunate, because this is absolutely the worst time in the middle of escalation to provide yet another opportunity for miscalculation. So that is what is happening.
Precedented. What we've seen earlier is that they normally do all this nuclear saber rattling when they want a bailout, when someone to step in and stop this. You know, either the US, somebody will come and say, okay, now you have to scale it down. This time what they've got is actually an IMF loan from a body in which the largest shareholder is the US. So that for them is not either it is I don't know. It's a like I said, this is not something I've ever seen before. But this signaling that of their willingness to go into the nuclear option is extremely irresponsible. I mean, at this moment, in actual fact, what you're seeing is a series of drone attacks. Neither country has used its aircraft to go inside either territory. That is how it is now. Now, at this point, you want to bring out your nuclear weapons. It's quite unbelievable. I mean, how can you be so irresponsible? But this is a signaling. Let's see what happens next.